Atypical pneumonia?
Mycoplasma.
I do have a leprosy question.
Okay.
Right, I just have a patient that comes in and after a consultation, they
Have
find out that this
parasite.
patient has leprosy.
Oh, that.
So that would be, so then you're gonna go find the name of the organism called Mycobacterium
Mycobacterium
leprae.
Again, about the atypical pneumonia?
What is the organism that causes an atypical pneumonia?
Mycoplasma.
Mycoplasma pneumoniae. Which I can't ask you that one in questions 1 through 25, can I? Because it doesn't have a cell wall. Agreed? Okay, ready? So I'm going to tell you that I do have a question, just simply asking you about a patient that has an infection, but the colonies are red in appearance. If you missed that one, I'm just going to tear up your exam. Dental cavities, that's exactly what I'm referring to.
Oh, okay, cool.
What is PID? Good. What's the name of the organism? Chlamydia trachomatis. Guess what? Everything else that I'm seeing here is exactly what you saw and what we've been talking about. Remember, when it comes to, well, what's the name of the disease that causes cat scratch fever?
Bartonella something.
Hensley.
Professors,
If I say this organism causes high fever, severe headaches, rash, and is transmitted by lice, what would you say then?
Rickettsia
Yes.
symmetrical rash on the body. We had it on Jeopardy yesterday, and I couldn't pinpoint
So
it.
when it comes to symmetrical rash on the body, let's think about, there's two things we could think of. We could think of bacterial. So if we have a rash on the symmetrical rash on the body, we would probably be thinking of Rocky Mountain spotted fever. But if we were thinking about, or we also have a rash that's on the body, but that's typically not the first thing. If we have a lesion on the genitalia, then it goes away. And then now the next stage would be a symmetrical rash on the body. That would be what?
Syphilis.
Syphilis.
But if
So-
symmetrical rash on the body is connected to heavily wooded areas, then we're talking about Rocky Mountain
Heavily
fever.
wooded areas, because the heavily wooded areas contain what vector?
Ticks.
So it sounds like you guys are getting your shit together, right? All right. You can now clearly see that the microbiology class was really